Hello. In this video, we'll walk you through the onboarding process of the Agent Portal. Paste your Agent Portal URL in the top bar, press enter to go to the login page. If you have already registered, enter your login credentials. That is email and password to login. If you haven't registered yet, click Sign Up. Enter your name and email. Select your account type, agent or referral. Enter your CNIC or passport number. Create a password for your account. Confirm your password. Click Sign Up. You'll receive a confirmation email. Verify your account using the link in the email. First time you log in, you'll have to add required details for registration. Add your phone number, company name, and provide your address. Adding additional details, that is Google profile link. And the website is optional. Next, upload your identity documents. Click Submit. Wait for approval. Once approved, you're ready to use the CRM. After approval, use the Tasks tab to create tasks. Use the Leads tab to create or import leads. View admissions. Start working efficiently on the CRM. In case you forget your password, navigate to the Forgot Your Password option on the login screen. Enter your email address and click on the Send Reset Link button. Now navigate to your Gmail messages to view the password reset email. Click on the Reset Password link and create a new password for your account.